Chef Meg, and I'm going to prepare a grape umbrella.
A grape umbrella? How do you make a grape umbrella?
So first you get a cheese, then you put a toothpick, then you put a grape, then you put another piece of cheese.
Wow, and then it's an umbrella?
Mm-hmm.
Can you show us how it works? Does it keep the rain away?
No.
No. What do you do with it?
Eat it.
You eat the umbrella. Can you give it a taste? What do you think?
Yum.
Is it yummy yum?
Mm-hmm.
How many thumbs up would you rate it? Yes, 2 thumbs up. Audience, you were very respectful today. Good job. Let's give Chef Meg a big round of applause.